that was so spooky.
I kind of want to be this guy.
That was too spooky.
Yeah, I think that handprint thing is faster.
That what? What did you say, Chase? Wait, Chase, are we inside of a building in here? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's just a building. It's easier.
Oh yeah. I turned the corner and I Slenderman in my face, including Slenderman and this alien thing.
What about Amnesia Monster?
No. Okay, I see that thing. I'm dashboarding. What? Is it mashed potatoes?
Okay then. I'm not.
Chase, why do you have Elvis?
What?
Like a hybrid between like El. It's like a hybrid between Elvis and the girl from Borderlands 2. But look, he's like but look at him though.
And it has good stuff.
Is he a midget, Chase?
I'm like a Johnny Bravo with brown hair.
If only we had Batman.
If I had Batman, get over here.
No, if I was gonna be scared because I can like that thing. I'd be like, move. You have an alien? You have Slenderman? I have a Hulk.
Yeah. You have to find a lot of them. I think the first one's 5 and then the next one's 10, I think. I'll let you guys...
And then me pooping my pants. I might need to lose extra shorts after this game. I have...
Austin, see why I said it's good to have your...
camo on they're not blue anymore, this is brown. Now, what?
It's good and bad.
You should pick the girl again.
CJ, you should pick the girl
so good
again.
though. Okay, I died when I was in the middle. That was so stupid. He was like, "Come here." I was like, "What?" I was walking to get the tape. I was like, Austin was like, "Get the tape." I was like, "No, I get it." And then I went to go get it. When he grabs me, he turns me around. No, he literally turned me around. I was like, "Ah!" I was like, "Oh." Austin died on the middle of the bridge though. He got turned around. He's like, "Hey, why did you put it on hard?"
I did.
You put it on hard.
Oh.
Yeah.
What do you think Nightmare is?
Wait, were we on Nightmare? Were we on normal?
No, we are on normal.
Yo, he's like, why is he so skinny? I'm scared already. I lost. Your person actually looks like you, to tell you the truth. It looks like an older version of you.
No.
Okay, why are those green?
There.
Okay, my screen's really fuzzy already.
Just grab it.
I'm scared. Okay, why am I back? No, I'm in the middle. Move, Austin. Okay, Chase put it on hard, so I'm TV down in case I rage. Ah, it's right there! Ah, run! God, check your phone.
Okay, he's gone.
Wait, Chase, where'd you go? Chase,
someone's going in front. No, someone's going in front.
Hi.
No, someone take the lead.
No!
No!
You won't put it on hard. You take the lead. Put it on.
You know what? Fine. Fuck you.
Well, after this, I'm getting on Battlefield. This, I take my... No, I'm not playing this game, but it's...
Okay, there's over here.
For me. I play Slenderman on my iPad. You know what? You wanna know what happened? I flipped outside in front. I fucking flipped out in front of the whole class. I don't know. I'm not doing that again. Okay, I got a feeling we're about to hit this corner and then he's gonna be there.
La la la.
Hello? Hello?
Someone check mine, Joe.
I'm scared to turn right. Okay, he's not right. I don't see him in right.
No, we weren't.
No, we weren't. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Try to play and look at Skype messages and not be scared at the same time. This is not working. Okay, when he was like right on me, I was like, no, I'm done. I did not. I was literally about to throw my control. That's so on me. Almost dropped
Okay, here's one. Somewhere.
Wait, where is it? Wait, where is it?
Right here, right here.
I got it.
That shows you
I like how I started, like, I barked at him when I got scared. Probably.
Yeah, you do. You do. Someone check the corner.
I got butt. Chase, stop backing up.
Okay.
I got two of them. What are you talking about? Chase, please.
Where?
I don't want to turn her out. So help me, please. Well, if you guys like this video and like us being scared, we'll play this more. Or we'll just
We'll play it on Nightmare.
Yeah, we're having so much fun. I don't want to play this game anymore.
I'm gonna shit my pants.
Chase, please.
Why did you put me in
If
a
you
league?
die, Chase, I think I just saw him. Because this is what you do in Slenderman games. My light is flickering.
Mine's not.
I can't hear. Okay, is this a sub? What?
Yeah.
I don't want to eat fresh. Chase, please.
No,
He's most likely gonna go for me because I have the most.
I don't know.
If Chase dies, you know what I'm gonna do also? Drop everything, get a Pokemon. Like, just sit here and be like, I'm fucking done. I can kill him. I don't care. Okay, why are we in this pool anyway? What is this? I don't know. I don't know what this is. This is too spooky for me. Okay, we're walking on air. We just walked over there.
I'm not going. There's no water.
Okay, this is too spooky. This is more spooky than Slenderman because there's more players.
I heard that.
What are you talking about? TV's on 1. I mean, run! Okay,
Run!
You should have saw all of us run.
Right,
You're just
there.
like, okay, why am I in back? No, move, Austin.
Right? Did I just see him? Did I just see him? Oh! I'm gonna get off this game. I don't know.
Okay, I can't do another game because it's fucking.
Oh, yep, this is the place I warned you about. Look at this shit. shit. Look at this shit right here. Look at this shit.
Okay, that was DMI! Ah!
Look at this. Look at this dude's face. I'm like, what was he doing? What was he doing?
Okay, I don't think we should be here.
I don't know. Don't ask questions. Ask. Time to run. Time to run. Austin, you have the turtle beat us here.
This is too spook.
Someone check the. I'm checking the left. Yes. This is teamwork.
Fall behind.
Doing teamwork.
Actually, fall behind and be bait.
Actually, start running now. Thing now. He might.
Wait. Okay. Why don't we have guns and we're going into a place? Come on now.
I don't know. Bunker 51.
I keep a machete on me if I go down the stairs when I'm alone. So.
Check the right. Check the right. I'm checking the left.
No.
You know what?
I
He's not there.
Hey, Bliss. I hear him. I go forward if we went forward. Okay, well, we're back to silver.
Alright. Someone check the right.
Okay, I'm checking right. Hey, bro.
I'd start running.
Game Bliss! I'm yelling at the game so I don't get scared. No, okay. I'm not in front. No, Chase.
Okay, look. See the green signs? The green signs are to us. Are.
What?
Wow.
I'm not.
No. Wow. Yeah.
Why am I so far behind? Hold up. He's gonna come from the right. I gotta feel him. I think I can see him.
Pink fluffy unicorn standing on rainbows. There's one right there.
I don't want to see ours, to tell you the truth.
Okay, where do you?
He's gonna be on.
We're gonna go this way. I'm flickering now.
Okay, we came in here with flashlight. Why don't we go in Resident Evil style like Jake, but fucking pistols and fucking flashlights? That's a gas steroids. I'm talking about Jake. Huh?
Hey, Jake.
No, where's the blonde hair this? I don't fucking know what I don't play Resident Evil. Yeah, Leon. I said Jake.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh! You know what? Jake just
back. No, why are we back away?
He's still there.
Okay, my flashlight is dead.
He's still there. He's still he's
yes,
still there.
I literally have no light.
Okay, I got let's go.
Let me be in the middle then, since I don't flashlight's dead. It's like literally it flickers on. Oh, he's still there.
Okay, we're gonna run. I'm running.
YOLO 420.
Running.
Bliss.
I don't know. Imagine PewDiePie playing this.
Apparently terrorizing us is his job. Why do we keep going into the watch this move? I don't need to be in the flashlight dead.
Turning off my flashlight, he's gonna spawn. I'm turning it back on.
I like mine, like it flickers off, it then stays off for a couple seconds, and then it comes back on.
Breaching! Okay.
Come on now, I thought about backup energizers.
There's one.
Oh, my flashlight just went off.
There's one in here. One in here somewhere. Alright. Pick it up.
Austin Bliss, you're too far away. Austin Bliss! I hear him behind us. I hear him behind us. I'm not turning around. I'm not turning around.